At the heart of Mogadishu, the future is about to be redefined. The proposed Simad University Medical Campus is set to bring about a paradigm shift in the future of education in institutions of higher learning. With educational facilities that will support a learning program of activities for university students, as well as provide on-campus accommodation, Simad University is the new future. Starting with the hospital building, the 130-bed ultra-modern facility in the heart of Mogadishu will provide quality healthcare and have adequate facilities to serve both students as well as patients. From the basement, ground floor to the first and second floors, the state-of-the-art equipment will guarantee excellent training and healthcare service. With world-class design, the ground floor, as the main public entry floor where most outpatient facilities are located, will be homely and welcoming. The first floor will be uniquely designed to host surgery as well as the critical care units. Each critical care bed will have dialysis capabilities to ensure ultimate care for all patients. The second floor will be home to the maternity wing of the hospital with a dedicated C-section operating room. Some specialized outpatient units such as the dental and vision care units will also be found here. From the administration and faculty building, student hostels and staff housing, the campus will have auxiliary facilities such as a mosque that will be a shared resource to be used by the neighboring community as well. The construction of these facilities is to be implemented in 3 phases with a high-quality control mechanism that is cost-effective while improving the usability of the facility and its lifespan. Once completed, the Simad University will offer in-residence accommodation to students who are expected to be drawn from within the country and the regions beyond. Therefore, ample space for hostels has been considered with a keen interest to its proximity to the basketball courts and other outdoor recreational facilities. As for the teaching faculty, a careful mix of 2- and 3-bedroom apartments for accommodation will be guaranteed. Right at the heart of the master plan, the Masjid Mosque will stand pronounced with a capacity of over 800 people when in use. At the same time, a dining hall for students and staff with a dedicated kitchen will be ready to serve sumptuous healthy meals. To brand it all, the campus will have a 3-star hotel for guests, as well as ambulant patients from far visiting the hospital. This will be cost-effective, especially for patients with periodic appointments. The administration building will comprise of 2 distinct blocks, comprising of lecture rooms, a 100-seater auditorium, science laboratories, faculty workstations with staff lounge and boardroom, faculty dean and support offices. The proposed Simad University Medical Campus will indeed create an ecosystem that will serve both students and the community sustainably. Welcome to the new future of education.